Welcome, MMTs, 3/21/2012, 6:04 a.m. live in pre-market, shorting Apple pre-market. We talked about it as one of the MMTs pointed out. We got right up here, and this is where you can learn how to short Apple in pre-market because Apple is overbought, makes higher highs every day. So what? Every time it makes a higher high, today is going to be another reversal down here to that low. Look at right there. And here's getting net long. So you can see pre-market short sells that pay the wonderful debit structure. And not only that, the nice thing about it is you can see right here, it's very clear to the very bottom here now. And you can see the bid and the ask right here in Apple. That's the morning chart. And here it is. You can see it's coming off of the lows. There's the bid. Here's the ask. Here's the pre-market tick chart. Let's make sure it's all the way in the video as it is. Okay? And you can see how to sell short up here, and you make that $6 move almost. Because you got down here to the very lows of it. And one of the things that I can tell you right now, it looks like you were right down here, right once again at that 601 handle. And you've gotten that much bounce in pre-market. Once again, sign up to learn how to short sell overbought stocks in pre-market. We will have a sign-up page for you to learn how to do this in pre-market. Now that we've launched our new site, it's coming. So look for those updates. We're going to have a lot of updates, and one of them is how this price print belongs to you and why you too can make a $5 short sell, even if you're just doing 100 shares in pre-market, because each MMT student, they have buying power to do that. That's part of what we do, is we help people out with that money part of it. And you can see that you can buy off the lows and buy to cover and buy off the lows and sell into resistance. One of the things that we're going to be featuring is the 610 put today. That was marked down, $15.10, $21 yesterday. High, it had $11.40 range. There is money, and these price ranges belong to you, MMT. This is what belongs to you. And not only that, the 605 put, the high was 17.15, and once again 705 on that low. That other day's close was 12.20. There was still almost a $5 move right up to the high, and once again that range was $10, and the range belonged to you. And on the flip side over here, on the call side, this was even nicer because they close at 13.70. They take the call down to 7.40. Last print 14.10. Only ended up 40 cents premium. But buying down here wholesale made you a whole bunch of money in that $7.90 price range. And knowing how to get hit wholesale down here, MMT, that is the primary factor of our existence. Wholesale, selling back retail. So that's what that 595 call looked like. And we were also doing the 590 call. That high was 19.30. It had a $9 range. I liked the beta one on this. There was 16,000 contracts traded. It was a market down there. We were getting orders at $10.50 yesterday. 19.30 on the high, $9.30 range belongs to you, MMT. So both price ranges on the put side of the market, on the call side of the market, both price ranges belong to you, MMT. Within the directional pre-market trading, and when we kick off the opening bell here in about 22 minutes, it's 6:08 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, how to short pre-market. short pre-market, buy long, sign up, get in here, because I can tell you that 590 call yesterday, it did well. So everything was working on both sides of the market. And that's the fact that we're going to be featuring other stocks. I'm just going to feature how to hit that short up there and how to get long. And each day that you make that higher high, that trade keeps working. And that means that we have come to the conclusion within the last 5-day training session, when price levels hit certain calendar multi-year highs in the price structure, that you start to get these nice pullbacks and you ring the cash register. How to trade short pre-market.